Jared James. En una corte se dio este terrible encuentro. De fondo está Jared, un criminal que desmembró a su amiga Ashley Young en el 2018. Presente también estaba la madre de Ashley, quien destrozada se dirigió al criminal, quien le arruinó la vida.
No right to take her from me! To take her from her family! I cry 7 days a week! 7! Most days is to and from work. I do not sleep well. I am left with nothing but voicemails and videos that I play over and over just to hear her voice, just to hear her laugh.
Entonces Jared fue condenado por asesinato y mutilación, siendo sentenciado a 200 años de cárcel.
This was an extremely disturbing set of facts and circumstances where you killed and dismembered this young lady, Ashley Young. You, sir, in my mind, are a very evil individual. You are clearly a monster without any conscience whatsoever, and you are someone who is a danger to society and should never be allowed free. That you be committed to the Michigan Department of Corrections to serve a minimum of 100 years to a maximum of 200 years.